Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Locket app and signing in. This connects your shared widget to contacts. Once done, grant camera and notification access so live photos and alerts work. Next, long press your home screen, tap plus, then choose Locket widget size, pick 2x2 for portrait or 1x4 for wider feed. Make sure to place it where you want frequent glances. These steps let you instantly populate the widget and keep updates flowing without reauthorizing repeatedly. Now you configure who appears in the widget and what they can send. You choose contacts to share photos with, toggle permission levels, and confirm whether they can add or only view. Once set, adjust refresh frequency and auto-download to save data or speed updates. Then customize appearance. Select theme, border style, and portrait crop so faces fit the widget frame. By connecting permissions, refresh settings, and styling, you control both privacy and the look of the live feed. Use the widget daily. Tap to open the app, swipe to browse full gallery, and long press the widget to capture and send a new photo. Make sure background app refresh is enabled and keep at least 200 MB free storage so images save. If the widget stops updating, force close the app first, then reauthorize camera and notification permissions. If that fails, reinstall the app and re-add the widget. This sequence fixes most sync problems and restores fresh photos quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.